an emblem of sovereignty. And is the United States sovereign? Now, I know this is a complicated question, and people talk about the necessity of gratitude, thankful for the blessings of living in a free society. I know. But this was startling to people during the First World War, and bringing the war right inside the church. You have the war throughout the week that you're filled with anxiety about, and then you come into church and you're singing the Battle Hymn of the Republic. There's the flag. There are the battle flags. There's a sermon about the war. I read yesterday in a newspaper, a pastor during what was called Liberty Bond Sunday. There were a series of these. And the United States government provided sermon outlines and entire prepared sermons for pastors to preach on these special Sundays. And there was a pastor who preached the provided sermon on Liberty Bond Sunday, and then at the end of the service, he publicly purchased like a $100 war bond right there. He was doing his bit, and he wanted his congregation to invest in war bonds right there at the end of the service.